Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Do not leave without clicking the subscribe button down below and also the notification bell, so every time I post a new video you'll be the first to see it. So guys, I'm just going to be showing you how I achieved this beautiful Faux Locs hairstyle. First of all, I'll be sectioning her hair this way, then I'll go ahead to comb through the hair and then braid it in a box shape, and I'm going to be doing this all through her hair. So guys, this hair is a protective hairstyle. It is very durable and it is lightweight. For this particular client, I ended up using 3-pack for her hair. For this particular brand of weave that I use for my clients, for each pack there are 28 strands of hair. Depending on the brand, it differs with the numbers of crochet braid in it. So but this hair you can use as much as 4-pack and still have that lightweight feel. So this is our progress so far, and I made sure that I continued in the same pattern, as you can see, so that it looks clean, organized and beautiful. This is what the hair looks like, and like I said before, there are 28 in each pack, and I ended up using 3 packs for this hair. So guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how I attach these Faux Locs to the hair. First of all, I passed my crochet pin through the root of my hair, and then I used the mouth of the crochet pin to take the loop of the hair and just secure it like this. This particular Faux Loc comes with a loop. Some of them do not come with loops, but this still comes with a loop. For the second step, you're going to be passing the crochet pin through the Faux Locs extension till you get to the root of the Faux Locs. That's where we have attached the Faux Locs to the braid. And when you get there, you're just going to use the crochet pin to pull the braid through the Faux Locs extension. That way the hair is secured and firm, and you will continue this way till there is no hair left outside. You just keep putting the braid through the Faux Locs extension till you're done. Doing it this way makes it possible to not twist the braid at all, and it makes the hair last longer and look more natural. So I'm going to be showing you guys again, so just look closely and see how I do it. So guys, this is what the hair looks like when we're done. As you can see, she's very happy with the result and she loves her hair. So guys, I'm going to be showing you guys a trick on how to add more Faux Locs extension to your hair even after you're done if you want it to be fuller. So I'm just first of all going to pick a section or a side of the hair where I want to add this Faux Locs extension, or where I want it to be fuller, and I'm just going to pass the crochet pin through the root of the hair and just secure it that way. You know, this way you can do as much as you want. It will still come out looking natural and beautiful. So that's all I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up. See you guys next time.